Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, our futures are inextricably linked. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have had species greater than you, and I have star species greater than you. My oceans, my soul, my flowing streams, my forest, they all can take you or leave you. The growing number of people on the planet and how you choose to live each day. Whether you regard or disregard me doesn't matter to me, one way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. The question is, are you?